Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have London Grammar with CHAMEL PHAT. This one is called Higher. Not your typical guitar song, but hey, why not try something different sometimes? So this one, cool dance song. We have 4 different chords to handle here. So let's dive right into this one. No need for any capo. And we'll start with the bar chord here, the one and only in this song, the B minor. So you place a bar here on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. You have A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. E minor here, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so like I said, it's a dance song. This not a guitar song in that way, but you can do anything almost with the guitar, so you'll find a soothing strumming pattern here that suits for this song. So if you grab the 1st chord, the B minor, we will use this pattern. Alright, so that is down, up, clap, up. That will match also with the rhythm here with the clap in the song. So down, up, clap, up. And a couple of rounds to get an idea of how it sounds. Alright, so with that, we're gonna play the first half of it will be B minor, 2 strumming rounds, A, 2 strumming rounds, and E minor, 4 strumming rounds. That's the first half. You're gonna play that short corporation of these 3 chords for 2 rounds. So B minor, A, E minor, B minor, A, E minor. And then the second half will be almost the same. So you just replace the B minor with G instead. So that gives us G2, A2, and E minor 4. You play that last corporation G, A, and E minor for 2 rounds as well. So in total 4 rounds, and these 4 rounds will go over and over again through the entire song. So B minor 2, A2, E2, E minor 4 for 2 rounds, and then G2, A2, and E minor 4 for 2 rounds. Let's do this. Alright guys, so that's it for the song called Higher. Good luck with this one guys. Thumb up this tutorial if you liked it, and play tuned.